The idea of UFOs, of contact from other planets, has excited, entertained, and even scared people for millennia. But there have been sightings of what's called unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAP, for decades. Now, according to the New York Times, U.S. intelligence agencies have concluded they don't know for sure if UAP are real.
Look at that thing. It's rotating.
Luis Elizondo ran the classified defense program researching UAPs.
Our government has already stated for the record that UFOs or UAPs are very real, and we have established a task force to study them. You don't establish a task force to study something that's not there.
The U.S. Navy has declassified videos captured by Navy pilots.
Oh my gosh, dude.
They show objects traveling at very high speed, or shaped like a pyramid, or suddenly plunging into the water.
Oh, splashed.
781 just sped up to 46 knots.
And from July 2019, this leaked unidentified flying object near San Diego, swarming a U.S. naval ship. And there have been a lot more sightings than those made public. Now Congress will find out what the Pentagon knows and what's been done with the information. It will get two reports, one that will be made public, the other classified, eyes only from members of Congress. Expect the speculation to go into overdrive.
There's something that shows up on these cameras, and because the Navy doesn't seem to know what it is, I don't know whether they do or not, but because they don't seem to know what it is, people jump to the conclusion, oh, it's aliens. And there's no reason to think that it's aliens. It could be all sorts of things.
The military released a report more than 50 years ago all about UFOs. It concluded that 80 to 90% of sightings were ordinary events, which just seemed extraordinary but could be explained. The remainder, though, were mysterious with no obvious answer.
If we can all agree that if there's something flying around in controlled U.S. airspace that is not ours, and there's not a whole lot we can do about it, there's a potential threat.
While many believe this could be aliens among us, the bigger concern for the U.S. military is that the threat comes from some rivals here on Earth, possibly Russia or China. That someone has developed advanced technology which could put national security at risk. And there will be things that cannot be easily explained. And that means speculation will continue to grow about what really is out there.
They're all going against the wind. The wind's 120 knots from the west.
Rosiland, Jordan, Al Jazeera, Washington.